When it comes to email marketing, the customization of templates can make or break the effectiveness of your campaigns. Today, we're diving into MailerLite versus Campaign Monitor. Which one offers better template customization? If you're looking to take your email marketing to the next level, stick around because you might be surprised by the results. First off, both MailerLite and Campaign Monitor offer drag and drop editors, making it easy to design professional emails. But when it comes to customization, there are key differences that could affect your decision. Next thing, MailerLite offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to build your emails from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-built templates. The platform is user-friendly with a clean design, but it doesn't give you as much flexibility when it comes to advanced customizations. For example, while you can easily change text, images, and colors, the layout options are somewhat limited. And if you're someone who likes to fine-tune every aspect of your email's design, MailerLite might feel a bit too restrictive. On the other hand, Campaign Monitor provides more advanced customization options. The platform lets you build emails from the ground up with a greater degree of freedom. You can edit the HTML directly, which gives you more control over your emails. But that's not all. Campaign Monitor also has a library of flexible templates, which you can tweak in depth. It's a bit more complex, but for users who want to push the boundaries of customization, this could be a huge advantage. However, that added complexity can also feel like a hurdle for beginners or those who just want to send out quick, visually appealing emails without diving into code. The fourth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness of the templates. Both platforms offer mobile-optimized templates, but Campaign Monitor's templates tend to be more robust in terms of how they adapt across different devices. While MailerLite does a solid job, Campaign Monitor's templates feel more polished and reliable in ensuring your emails look great on any screen. Moving on, let's talk about integrations. MailerLite does have integrations with popular apps and services, which is great for streamlining your workflow. However, when it comes to deep integration options with third-party tools, Campaign Monitor has a broader range. This is particularly useful for those who want a more tailored, professional email marketing solution with the ability to connect with CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and more. Now, here's something that's often overlooked: user support. Both platforms offer customer support, but if you're new to email marketing, you might find MailerLite's tutorials and help articles to be a bit easier to navigate. Campaign Monitor support is solid, but because of the added customization options, you may need to spend more time researching or getting help. So, which one is better for template customization? In terms of ease of use, MailerLite might win for beginners or those looking for a simple, quick solution. But if you want advanced customization and more freedom with your email designs, Campaign Monitor is the clear winner. To sum it up, both MailerLite and Campaign Monitor are solid choices, but depending on your level of expertise and what you're looking for, one could serve your needs better than the other. However, after trying both myself, I've found that there's actually a better alternative that surpasses both when it comes to template customization. If you want to try this better alternative and see how it can elevate your email marketing game, make sure to check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!